Welcome back, everyone. Today we're looking at the return of sovereign citizen Eric Martin, a familiar name in Michigan courts. This time, he's facing a failure to appear charge after skipping his last court date in front of Judge Washington. The hearing is short, simple, and ends exactly the way you'd expect. Let's get into it.
Good morning, Mr. Martin. Can you hear me? You're muted. Now calling case number 23S00425. This is the state of Michigan versus Eric Martin. Can I have appearances for the record, please?
Stephanie Cannon with the Washtenaw Public Defender's Office on behalf of Mr. Martin, who is present, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. Mr. Martin, can you please state your name for the record?
Capital E, lowercase R-I-C, capital M, lowercase A-R-T-I-N.
Honestly, I'm impressed Eric managed to spell his own name correctly this time. That alone is progress. Now if only someone could explain to him that capital letters don't create secret legal entities. Courts capitalize names for formatting and consistency, not to invent some alternate, non-sovereign version of you. This is one of those arguments that sounds clever online, but completely collapses the second it enters a real courtroom.
Okay, thank you, sir. Today is the date and time set for an arraignment in this matter. What I am seeing is that you failed to appear for a court date on February 1st and that you failed to appear for another court date on March 14th. Therefore, a bench warrant did issue for your arrest. Do you understand?
No, I do not understand, and I do not stand under the charges. I am one of the sovereign living people.
Okay, sir, I'm not asking you if you agree with me. I am asking if you understand the words that I just said to you.
Well, I do not understand. I might comprehend that I do not understand and that I do not stand under the charges. And I am not a defendant. I am a living human sovereign. I'm not the legal fiction corporate entity, all capital letter name.
Attorney
I do not accept an attorney.
Thank you, Your Honor. At this time, he would stay on mute and ask for a PR bond.
Objection. You're not speaking for me. You're not my attorney.
And things go exactly where they always do. Eric claims he's standing mute while simultaneously objecting to everything, which, by definition, is not standing mute at all. He even objects to his attorney entering a not guilty plea on his behalf. And here's the irony. The only other options are guilty or no contest, both of which can immediately lead to fines or jail time. He's not protecting himself, hey. He's actively making things worse.
Thank you for the attempt, Attorney Cannon. You can turn your camera off.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Martin. At this time, I am seeing that your license has been revoked. You have failed to appear for court dates in front of Judge Washington. You were to have a sentencing hearing and a pretrial date in front of her, so that is what I am going to set you for now.
I need you to repeat to me again the case number of this case. I couldn't get it all when you said it first time.
The case number is 23S00425.
23S 00
4.
Hold on. 23S00, right?
Correct.
Okay, after that, what else?
4.
Okay.
2.
Yeah.
5.
Was that it?
Yes.
Yes, 00425. All right. That
Okay.
wasn't finished. Cut me off.
Okay.
I had more to say.
Sir, I
You're
am
cutting
setting
me-
you for another. Yes, I am, because what I am doing today is arraigning you, and I am setting you for another court date in front of Judge Washington. That court date will be April 11th, 2024. That will be at 9 a.m. That will be for your pretrial and potentially your sentencing.
I can't remember all this at once.
At this point, the court isn't asking Eric to understand complex law. He's being asked to remember one thing: the date and time of his next court appearance. Normally, This is where a judge warned someone that failing to appear could lead to a bench warrant. But Eric already skipped court. The bench warrant has already been issued. This isn't a warning anymore, it's the consequence phase.
April
Yep,
11th,
yep,
9 a.m.
all right,
That is 9 in the morning.
okay. Got that, what else?
It will be over Zoom, like this hearing.
Right, okay, now. Okay, is that it for that? Okay, now. Let me ask, so does she call herself, is this a separate charge?
I'm
Is
not
a failure
entirely
to
sure what you're asking. So what happened here was that a bench warrant was issued for your failure to appear. At this time, to guarantee your appearance at the court date on April 11th at 9 a.m., that warrant will continue.
Okay, that wasn't intentional, so that's why it's baseless. It's baseless, and it shouldn't have been the warrant issue because
Okay, sir, you've got your next court date. That's April 11th at 9 a.m. The bench warrant is continued. This hearing is concluded, and you are free to sign out of Zoom.
so I have more to say. I'm not done saying what I have to say. Pursuant to my First Amendment right, I have more to say here. That is,
And that's how it ends. The bench warrant stays active. The failure to appear charge moves forward, and Eric is removed from the Zoom call before he can derail the record any further. Here's what that means in real life. Before the warrant, police could let him walk away. Now, any interaction with law enforcement ends one way: arrest. His next court date is April 11th in front of Judge Washington, and honestly, the most realistic way he makes that appearance is from county jail. If you liked the video, hit like. If you didn't, hit dislike. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe with notifications on. And don't miss more real courtroom moments and real consequences.